So the best approach to scaling, as to any adoption or in general, and to organizational change in general, is to take a pragmatic approach. At least that's our recommended approach, which means not getting tied to any single framework or tool or practice or even to a certain method. What we like to do again is to recommend that people go back to the basics, understand the strengths of their organizations, their particular organization, and then adopt practices that amplify those strengths. So it's a matter of understanding the basics. When we look at Agile adoptions and look at scaling Agile, there are some of the leading methods out there: the Scale Agile framework, large-scale Scrum, disciplined Agile delivery, and such. But underlying all of those methods is a foundation of lean principles. Lean as in lean process improvement, or lean thinking from the Toyota production system and the Toyota way. So it is important over here for the leaders to understand what those principles are. There are some very straightforward things like managing work in process, managing the flow, and looking across the organization to make sure those things are happening. Once we as leaders can understand what those fundamental principles are, then we can assess out of the different frameworks which elements to use or not use, or which elements to stress or not stress at any point in time. Just sort of blindly and slavishly adopting a particular method is not the best way, and usually at best it generates a lot of waste, and at worst it leads to failure.